Alright guys, here's what we're gonna need here, man. Grab yourself some hamburger, extra lean ground beef. Grab yourself some bacon. Grab yourself some mushrooms. Well, probably about 4 or 5 of them. Grab yourself an onion, a tomato or two, a head of lettuce. Grab yourself, oh geez man, you're gonna need some garlic. Definitely need some garlic, right? Grab yourself some sour cream. Optional here, but yeah, salsa, some green onions, and some tacos, man. Yeah, man, you might say tacos. That's pretty simple, but hey, man, the way we're gonna do them here, man, is gonna be delish. Okay, man, grab that bacon that you're doing and grab yourself, oh geez, maybe 4, 5, 6 slices. So you're not gonna want to use the whole pack of bacon, probably about half of it, and just kind of cut them into little pieces, little chunks. And I just turn her up to about medium and toss that bacon in there. Okay, I might let that bacon go for probably about, oh geez, maybe a minute or two. And then, boom, throw on, oh geez, what we got? Oh, about a pound of bacon, man. Or, I mean, hamburger, man. Throw your hamburger in. And just break your hamburger apart here. And while you're browning up that meat, you might as well cut yourself up an onion, man. And at the same time here, what I'm doing is I'm cutting up 4 mushrooms here. Alright, man. We're almost to the point where we're gonna drain this. Grab yourself a strainer, man. And if you watch some of my other videos, use my little tip here. What I do, here, I'll show you guys. Okay? Get yourself a coffee tin, right? A drainer. Boom. Boom, boom. Right? Easy peasy. Okay, boom, and go back up to medium. You got your bacon, your hamburger in there. And what I like to do is give it one more little kind of brown in here. And you know, just in case you gotta, double drain it. Okay, man, okay, what I am doing here is I'm gonna let go for probably 2 to 3 minutes. Just the bacon and the hamburger in there. And also threw in 3 cloves of garlic as well. Maybe 4. 1 onion, 4 mushrooms. And then, yeah, just stirring your onions and mushrooms. Let that all kind of mix together. Probably about, probably about 4 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to get on the seasoning. Okay, man, you see when your onions are kind of getting a little bit brown like that. That's kind of what I'm looking for here. That's when we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, man, what I'm doing is I'm just throwing in some taco mix. If you want to get fancy and make your own, have at her. I just kind of like going with taco mix. And that kind of that gooey stuff. Oh, yeah. Toss that in there with our bacon hamburger mix. Oh yeah. Yeah, man, and then just get it all mixed up. Give it a little stir. Grab that beer we were talking about. I'm going with a Pilsner. Good old pill. And just toss that in there. Oh yeah. Turn it down just a little bit. kind of just above low and medium now. Okay, right on, guys. Well, hey, man. Now, you probably actually want to keep it on around medium here, and then we're going to kind of let this boil and boil off the beer, get it nice and, you know, marinated into the meat, if you will. And then, boom, we're doing our tacos, and we're going to eat, man. Oh yeah, man. Dog's favorite part, man. Grab that cheese. Grab yourself a grater. And grate yourself up some cheese, man. Oh yeah. Mm. Okay, man, it'd be a good time to preheat your oven to 375 here. And grab yourself some taco shells. And just throw those taco shells in at 375 for about 6 to 7 minutes. And yeah, just keep working that meat sauce. Okay, here's what I was talking about here. It probably took about 15 to 20 minutes to kind of get to this to boil off that beer, but you know, it's hard to tell exactly this many minutes and whatnot because everything's a little different, but that's kind of what you're going after, right? Just kind of boil it off. So we're almost ready to turn this back to low and let our shells go, and then it's dig in time. Boom, we got our taco shell, man. Let's give her a go. So what I like using is I like using something kind of like this. A little spatula. It's a little easier. Ooh. Yeah, man, then just toss on wherever you like, man. I like cheese, some tomatoes. Oh yeah, oh, this is looking good. And throw some celery, or some lettuce in there. A little bit of sour cream. Alright, well, let's give them a try. Man. These are really good, man. Bacon, beer, tacos, man. Awesome, man. Man, you guys should give it a try. It is really good. Right on, guys. Well, thanks a lot for dropping back to the bacon and beer edition, man. Right on, tank top cooking. Okay, man. Fridays and Sundays, but you gotta, you know, kind of figure it out here. Because the thing is that, you know, man, hit that notification button. It's there for a reason. It'll help you out. You guys know, man. So you can't set the alarm clock for you, man. Right on, man. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, man, be cool. Come on now.